Let's explore logs in the Embrace dashboard. You'll learn how to filter, search for logs using free text, and analyze logs in the platform. The Logs page in Embrace gives you access to all logs emitted by your app. Embrace provides two ways to explore your logs. The first is aggregated logs. With the aggregated view, you can see logs grouped by grouping rules. Typically, you would use this visualization for monitoring app performance, identifying trends, and understanding overall user behavior. The second is raw logs. The raw logs view lets you see every single individual log. Similar to other logging tools, this is a raw list of every log in real time. Embrace supports capturing error, warning, and info or system logs. You can filter by any of these log types. You can also filter logs by various attributes about the session, user, or device, as well as properties about the log itself. Here, you can see we can filter logs by a specific log message. We'll choose a log message that shows network requests that failed with a 500 error code. Now you can see 24 log events that match our filter criteria. Let's get rid of that filter and jump back into our overall log aggregate view. One of the really powerful things about the Embrace Logs product is the ability to search through logs using free text querying. Just type whatever log message you're looking for into the search bar, and Embrace will pull up the relevant logs, both in aggregate and raw views. Here you can actually see the raw logs output that resulted from our free text search. Expand any individual log record to get more information about it, including any custom log properties you've set as key value pairs. Let's now take a look at another feature of Embrace Logs. We'll do that first by filtering for error logs. Now that we're viewing a list of only error logs, let's take a deep dive into one particular log grouping, this HTTP request error, by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. Clicking into this will bring us directly to the log details view for this grouping. Here, we can see trends in the frequency of log events that occurred over time and across app versions. We can also see a stack trace of this log, since it's an error rather than info or warning log. We can also see a preview of this log event within the user session timeline. You can also change the timeline view so that you're only seeing other logs within the user's session rather than all chronological events. Lastly, we can actually open up the full user timeline for the session in which this log event occurred to examine it within the full context of all other events and conditions. The user timeline gives you a full play-by-play of all the technical and behavioral events across a user's entire session in your app. Here you can see the log in question within the context of everything else that happened before and after the event. This wraps up our tutorial on logs in the Embrace platform. Check out our other product videos to learn more about using Embrace to monitor your app's health and performance.